Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Fetch-22, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 1, The Fair Fairy.
Hey fellas! The Fair Fairy's about to start! Let's go!
Alright, kiddies, it's time for everybody's favorite show!
The Fair Fairy! Who's that fairy in the air who makes things completely fair? She's a fair fairy, oh yeah!
Thank you, Downward Dog.
No problem.
Before we begin today's show, I'd like to apologize for my little, bungle on last week's show.
Bungle?
Yes, I was under a lot of stress, and
Dude, you went totally bonkers!
that's not true, Downward Dog. And don't call me dude. We've talked about that.
I was there, man. You flipped out.
No, I've already apologized for
Hey, Gary, roll that clip from last week.
No! Don't listen to him, Gary. He's crazy.
Show it.
Dare!
The Fair Fairy Film Clip, B055, Episode 211, air date 1 week ago.
Welcome back to our show, children. Our next guests are Tina and Ramon. Tina is upset because Ramon got 2 cookies and she only got 1. Yeah, that's not fair. Well, you've come to the right show. Give me that cookie, Ramon.
Hey!
Here you go, Tina. Now we each have 1.5 cookies.
That's not fair!
Why not?
She got ice cream yesterday, and I didn't get any!
Hey, Gary, do we have any ice cream backstage?
Here you go, kid.
That's not fair. Why not? You got mint chocolate chip, but I only got vanilla. Gary, more ice cream.
That's not fair!
Why not?
She got 3 scoops, but I only got 2!
Gary, that's not fair. Why? His ice cream has more chocolate chips than mine.
Her spoon is bigger than mine!
My ice cream is all melty.
Mine is meltier than hers!
It's not fair. Enough! Give me that ball. You get nothing. And you give me your ball. Nothing for you too. You both get nothing. Now it's fair. Now it's fair.
The Fair Fairy Film Clip, B055, Episode 211, end of clip, not approved for rebroadcast.
See? I told you. You're tripping, dude.
Well, I won't have it again. I'm much calmer today. And stop calling me dude.
Whatevs.
Now let's welcome our first guests, Tim and Brenda. Tim is angry because Brenda got 2 toys and he only got 1.
Yeah, it's not fair! 9 minutes later.
Give me that toy! You get nothing!
Oh!
Now it's fair!
Hey Dog Man! Was that so inappropriate?
Chapter 2, Shared Custody. Soon.
Hey fellas, it's almost 5 o'clock. That means my papa is gonna come over. He's going to take me to his house for the week. Remember our plan? Okay, let's do it!
And so... Oh, hey kid.
Hi Papa.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I just gotta get my backpack.
What the heck is in that thing? Hey! What's the big idea? Get out of that backpack right now! Look, we had a deal. You're supposed to live with me during the week, and those guys on the weekends, remember?
Yeah.
Well, you can't bring them with you.
Rats!
Now let's go.
Bye fellas! Hey Papa, how come Dog Man and ADC can't come and stay with us?
Because they can't.
Why?
Look, I'm not trying to be mean, but Dogman is he loses his own head if it wasn't sewn on. And ADHD is, he's got a race car brain with bicycle brakes. I just don't want those guys living in our house.
It's not fair.
Yeah, well, life ain't fair, kid. Get used to it.
Boopy doopy stoopy floopy.
And stop that whining! Look, kid, you're right. It isn't fair. You've got two families who love you, and there are some kids out there who don't even have one family. You've got food, a bunch of books, toys, games, art supplies. Some kids don't have any of those things. How is that fair?
You're right, Papa.
I am?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I was right about something?
I'll try to be more grateful.
I was right about something! Sweet!